My name is Andre Harris, and what I really want to be is a video game designer who would specialize in the genre of action, adventure, and platforming. And I am a fan of Sonic the Hedgehog, so my target audience would be Sega of America, even though the main headquarters in Japan is where the Sonic games are made. But I think that the American team is just as capable of doing what the Japanese team can do, such as how well the team did with the games Sonic Mania and Sonic Mania Plus, and how multiple fans of the Sonic franchise are able to make their own Sonic games, or rather what they're referred to as fan games. What makes the company important to me is how their main mascot and my childhood hero to today, Sonic the Hedgehog, has always been the source of my inspiration for my artwork, and I also want him to be the source of my inspiration for my games in the future. My presentation would show how I could provide and benefit Sega by using examples of my education at Full Sail University, and show my core values and my ever-burning passion that can align with theirs. I'm willing to show my creativity and knowledge of both official and fan-made Sonic games and see what can be done for the franchise in the future, and help create games similar to Sonic Mania, such as how it was made last year, made by the fans of Sonic. I plan on opening my presentation with a personal and attention-grabbing story about why I want to be a game designer, as well as explain why I love video games and what drew me into them even more. As I learned that it's important to engage with my audience and as well to relate to them, I should be able to find common ground with them. I could even talk about any current and future projects, possibly even past projects of theirs, and see if it's possible to come up with ideas, including ones that may involve recycling the concepts of old games, such as Sonic Adventure, Sonic Adventure 2, and the old Genesis games released during the 90s, and mix them together with the new games that were released in their concepts, such as Sonic Forces, Sonic Generations, Team Sonic Racing, and Sonic Generations. This is where I will tell the story of how fate had led me to Full Sail University, and why I had cemented my dream of becoming a game designer into my very heart and soul, pursuing the career that I wanted. This is where I'll continue to speak about my story about my time at Full Sail, and speak about what I've learned. Now that I've managed to resonate with my audience, and possibly even connect my emotions with theirs, I can tell them about my qualifications, what I can offer to the table, the company. I can talk about my history and what I've learned from my education at Full Sail and the skills and techniques I've learned during my time there. I can also explain how the fan base here is so indecisive when it comes to the games, and how I can try to create ideas including more concepts to what Sonic Mania had during its development process. This was adding in the avatar creator of Sonic Forces and adding it into the future games. I want to tell the audience that it's okay to take risks, and from there I can explain my current work and portfolio, helping expand Sonic and Sega's horizons with even possible future projects they might have. Again, I'm someone with hundreds of ideas I'm not ready to share with the world. I think it's time to share ideas with others and not let the opportunity go to waste. Thank you.